If you've just started using our Telegram Signal Copier EA, this video is for you, because now we'll show you each and every features you'll get here and give a short brief about the whole table. Now let's see what we've got. As you can see, the EA settings are divided into 4 sections. The input section is where you'll spend most of your time, and understanding it properly makes everything else much easier. So the first thing to configure is the basic connection between Telegram and your trading platform. Inside the EA settings, you need to enter the Telegram channel IDs from where you want to copy signals. You can add one or multiple channel IDs depending on how many signal providers you follow. Once added, the EA will start listening to messages from those channels. Next comes symbol matching, which is very important to avoid execution errors. Signal providers often use different symbol names than brokers. For example, a provider may send gold while your broker uses XAUUSD. In this case, symbol mapping allows you to connect the signal name with the broker's symbol. Along with that, many brokers use prefixes or suffixes added to symbol names. You can also control which symbols are allowed or blocked by including or excluding specific pairs, helping you avoid unwanted trades. After the basic setup, risk management is where you define how much you are willing to risk per trade. The EA allows you to choose between fixed lot size, fixed money risk, or percentage-based risk calculated from your account balance. If you want the risk to be calculated from a custom balance instead of your actual account balance, you can define that as well. The EA also supports multiple take-profit levels, where you can assign different risk values for TP1 to TP5. If you don't want to use a specific target, you can disable it. Additionally, you can create special risk rules for specific symbols, such as higher risk for gold and lower risk for Forex pairs. Trade modification settings help you fine-tune how trades are executed compared to the original signal. If you want to reverse all signals, you can enable reverse mode, which turns buy signals into sell and vice versa. You can also modify entry price, stop loss, or take profit by adding or subtracting pips. Spread adjustment can be enabled so the EA automatically accounts for broker spread when placing stop loss and take profit. You also have the option to override the signal provider's stop loss and take profit with your own fixed values, or only apply your own values when the signal does not include them. Here, the risk-to-reward mode allows the EA to automatically calculate stop loss and take profit based on a predefined RR ratio instead of copying the signal exactly. Advanced trade management settings control how the EA behaves in different real market situations. You can force the EA to place market orders even if the signal specifies pending orders. This is useful if you prefer instant execution. You can choose to ignore signals that do not include stop loss or targets, which helps protect your account from poorly formatted signals. If your signal provider edits messages later to added stop loss or targets, enabling update on edited messages ensures the EA reacts to those changes. The EA can also prevent duplicate trades by checking for existing positions on the same symbol or price. Plus, you can even control whether multiple trades are allowed on the same pair, whether hedging is allowed, or whether only one directional trade should remain open. Meanwhile, the pips tolerance settings help the EA accept trades even when the signal price is slightly away from the live market price. Smart trade management tools allow the EA to protect profits automatically. You can configure the EA to move stop loss to break even or into profit once price reaches a certain level, measured in pips, money, target hit, or risk-to-reward ratio. Trailing stop features allow stop loss to follow the price as it moves in your favor, and in some cases even trail take profit levels. Smart profit lock features let the EA partially close trades after specific targets are hit, securing profits while keeping the remaining position open. The EA can also automatically close an open trade if a new opposite signal arrives for the same symbol. And last but not least, you have the time and session filters to help control when the EA is allowed to trade. You can define specific trading hours during which the EA will accept signals. This is useful for avoiding low liquidity periods or high-risk sessions. It also lets you choose which days of the week the EA should operate. Once all these settings are configured, the EA is ready to run.
It's always recommended to test your setup on a demo account first. This ensures that symbol mapping, risk rules, and trade management behave exactly as expected before moving to a live account. So, share your thoughts with us and let us know if you have any say or question about our TSC EA. See you on the next one.